Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app. In this video, I will show you how to send attachments or how you can send file from your Google Drive in Gmail and set permission without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Compose. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you enter your recipient address right here. Then go ahead and move to the subject. Go ahead and enter the subject right here. Then compose. You can add as much as possible text right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on the attach icon. Then go ahead and click on Drive. Then right here in your Google Drive, you have recently. So right here, you can scroll up and down, and then you have all the recently right here. However, if you cannot find the file right here, check on my drive right here and open up all the folder that you have right here. Everything depends on exactly what you want to send. So like for instance, I'm going to send this particular email. Click on select. Having clicked on select, next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this icon right here to send. Sending this message, click OK. And this is going to pump up right here. Now you have a sharing options. For this option, recipients do not need to have a Google account. So for that, go ahead and make sure you click on here. They can view, they can comment, or they can edit. So you can decide which options you want to choose in this particular options right here with anyone with the link. And also send without sharing. If you choose send without sharing right here, which simply means that they only have access to the image or whatever document you send to them, and they will no longer have any other link. So go ahead and click on send right here, and then the message will be sent. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.